Hi students, my name is N. Bhavani. I used to deal with IT and CT subjects. Now working as a IT CT trainer in AP Balyogi Gurukulam, Tallapalam, Visakhapatnam district. Students, I have prepared basic assessment on Notepad. If you watch this entire video, you can clear Notepad assessment very easily. In the end of session, I will give you assessment link. Now let's start the topic. Today we are going to discuss about Notepad.
Notepad is most commonly used program to view or edit text files.
This book image is icon for Notepad. Notepad text file extension is .txt.
Notepad is very useful application software that you can use to write simple text. You can write in Notepad instead of writing in notebook. Notepad has unlimited pages. If you write anything wrong, you do not need to write all over again. You can make the correction in same page. Making correction in the text is known as text editing. Notepad is basic text editing program.
Different ways to open Notepad. Go to Start button. Go to Windows Accessories and select Notepad. Now you can see Notepad window is appeared now. In taskbar, select a search icon. Type Notepad. You can see Notepad icon is appeared here. Click on that icon. Now you can see Notepad is open. Okay, this is the second way to open Notepad. You will see a small screen on your desktop when you open Notepad. In Windows operating system, every application program in separate window. This is one window. Each application window has title bar and menu bar. This is application window and here this is title bar and this is menu bar. You can see title bar top of the window and menu bar below of the title bar. The title bar displays the name of the file. It contains three control buttons at the right of the corner: minimize, maximize, close. Below the title bar, there is a menu bar. It provides you with several commands that can be executed by just selecting them, like this. The menu bar has following options: File, Edit, Format, View, Help. File menu. This is related to file operations. It is used to create a new document, to open new window, to open existing file, and to save the current file. It is to save as a different one, and this is page setup, and this is print, and this is to exit. Edit menu. It has options like undo, cut, copy, paste, delete, search with Bing. Bing is a search engine. Find, find next, find previous, replace, go to, select all, time and date. Format menu. This option is used to change font style of the text and wrap text only. Font is for changing font style like this. By using this we can change font styles, and this is for wrapping text. This view option we have zoom option. So we can see zoom in, zoom out, restore default zoom. Okay. In this view option we can see status bar. This is status bar. Once we click status bar, we can see here. This is status bar. Help menu. This menu provides help for any topic of Notepad. Below the menu bar we have text area. Cursor. You can see here one line is there. One vertical line is there. This is a cursor. If you type something, you can see that is moving forward. If you want to take a new line, then you need to click enter. I have taken some random text here. If complete text is not visible, then you can use active horizontal scroll bar. Means this. You can see the scroll bar is active now. Okay. You can scroll down like this, or else you can go for this right arrow. Click on it repeatedly till the entire text is visible. In the same way, you can also see the vertical scroll bar, but this is not in active mode. So now we have another option. Go to format, click on wrap text. Now you can see entire text is visible. Okay. Now you can see a vertical scroll bar is active now. The horizontal scroll bar is not visible. In this way, we can also use. Click on repeatedly till the entire text is visible. Move the mouse pointer to the title bar and click mouse button down and move the mouse. The notepad window moves along with the mouse. You can see now. The notepad window is moving along with the mouse. Text editing. Editing means to make corrections. While typing, we may make some spelling mistakes. We can edit the text by using arrow keys, delete and backspace. Saving file in Notepad. Go to File, click on Save. Now a Save dialog box is appeared here. Go here and delete this star. .txt is an extension of Notepad file. Okay, Notepad is a text file. So here I am giving Bhavani as a name. Bhavani as a name. So save. Now I am clicking save. So this file is saved as bhavani.txt. Okay. In this way we have to save a Notepad file. Now how to open existing file. File, go to File, go to Open. Now Open dialog box appears. Now you can see the text. Okay, bhavani.txt. Only in Notepad, only text files only we can open. Okay, so click on this. Now click Open. In this way we can open text files in Notepad. Creating new file. If you require a new file while creating a file, then go to File menu and select New. Exit file. If you want to exit from any file, then simply click on File, Exit File. Then this window will be closed. In the same way, you can also do this option. Close option also you can do, or else you can choose for exit option. Selecting text. To select a single word, double click the word. Formatting. Changing the look of the text is called a formatting. If you want to change the text font style, you need to select the text. Now go to Format. Now click on fonts. This is font list box. In this, whatever font you want, you can select that one. I am selecting italic. Font size varies from 8 to 72. Click on OK. Now you can see the font style and font size has been changed.
Following are the different types of notepad: ATPad, Notepad 2, TED Notepad, Notepad++, Notepad, DocPad, Notepad Lite, PS Pad. These are the different types of notepad. Students, if you have any doubts, please let me know in WhatsApp group. Now, I am sending assessment link along with this video. Please do submit the assessment. Thank you.